Damage control.
Matchup of the night. Brian Perrine did not come back out for the next round, looking just like Brian, and there's that huge takedown.
And I'll be surprised if Brian Tatafu does get up off the corner stool here and come back out. You see those leg kicks we talked about here in your Crush Combat Cam? A nice front kick. Might have been a little bit low there. You saw Jake Phippen react to that, and then that big hip throw.
Boy, he just winds him up and throws him down.
Ethan Andrews asking him, do you want to come out for the third round? And Tatafu says, give it to me.
And he's saying, yeah, and the people in his corner don't know that that's such a good idea, at least in the condition he's in. But here we go, third and final round. And Brian's going to go one more time at the big Jake Phippen.
And Phippen kind of standing there in the center of the ring, kind of challenges his opponent to come at him. And as I would be doing, Tatafu moving around quite a bit here.
Either one of them wanting to get in and mix it up. Oh, no!
My goodness. Are you kidding me? Where did that come from?
That is exactly how the first two rounds started, with a right hand from Brian Tatafu.
There's nobody more shocked in the room than Brian Tatafu right now. He is shocked. He is stunned. He's almost apologetic about the punch.